In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Business Profile ID. If you need your business profile ID for support, verification, troubleshooting, or connecting your listing with another tool, the good news is that it's very easy to locate once you know where to look. The most important thing before you begin is to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account because your business profile settings will only appear for an account that has permission to manage the listing. Start by signing in to the Google account that manages your business profile. This should be the primary owner account or a manager account connected to the listing. If you're logged into the wrong account, you may still be able to search for the business, but you won't see the settings needed to access the profile ID. Once you're signed in, go to Google Search. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business and run the search. When the correct profile appears, you should see your Google Business Profile Management panel in the search results. This is where Google lets you manage your listing directly from search. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon. It may appear near the business name or close to the profile management options. This menu gives you access to additional settings that aren't shown right away, so if you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the profile area carefully. Click that three-dot menu, and from the drop-down, choose Business Profile Settings. After that, select Advanced Settings. This section contains more detailed information about the profile, including the unique ID assigned to your business listing. Once you open Advanced Settings, you'll see your business profile ID displayed there. This is the number you're looking for. You can then copy it directly to your clipboard and save it wherever you need it. If you're sending it to support or using it for setup in another platform, it's a good idea to paste it into a secure note or document right away so you don't have to come back and find it again. That's all it takes. Just sign into the correct Google account, search for your business on Google, open the three-dot menu, go to Business Profile Settings, then Advanced Settings, and copy your business profile ID. If your profile doesn't appear, double check that you searched for the exact business name and that you're logged into the account that manages the listing. With those two things in place, you should be able to find your ID in just a few clicks.